Hi, and welcome to History 102, which is Western Civilization Part 2. My name is Barbara Cook, and I will be your instructor for the semester. I am doing this tutorial to help assist you in finding everything that's going to be in this course. I'm going to show you where the course materials, the quizzes, exams, due dates, and everything is going to be. Once this video is completed, I will put it in the begin course here. So it'll be right above the welcome here. I do want you to click on the syllabus link, and I do want you to print out and read over the syllabus that I have uploaded here. It's going to have all the information that you're going to need to know about the class, including all of the assignments due dates. We're going to do quizzes, discussion questions, and exams. There's going to be 4 exams. All of them are going to have due dates, and all of them are going to turn off at 11:59 p.m. on their due date. I also have a link for assignment due dates here so that you have another place that you can click on, and it's also going to be in your calendar. All of your assignments are going to show up on your calendar so that you can print out your calendars as well and post them somewhere where you're going to be able to see them daily. You 100% need the textbook. You cannot complete this course without the textbook. The required textbook is here, Western Civilization, Their History and Their Culture, Brief 4th edition, Volume 2. You can get that at the bookstore on campus at Gadsden State, at any of the bookstore, campus bookstores, or wherever you buy your textbooks. Now, once you buy the textbook, you need to start reading them. We're going to start at chapter 15. And on here, under the course materials, you'll be able to click into each one of the chapters, and each one of these chapters is going to have a lot of great resources that you can use to help you better understand the material and be ready for the exams and the quizzes. Each one's going to have an outline. You can use these to take notes. You can do the flashcards, the maps and worksheets, the videos, and other things. Now, anything that you do here, those are just to assist you in better knowing the material. I will not be grading you on any of these things. The only thing I will be grading you on are the discussion questions, the quizzes, and exams. Those are the only things that I will be assessing your grade on. Now, discussion questions are going to be under the discussion board. Your first one is due by the 19th, so please make sure that you are completing this. This is the way, because this is an online course, I can't take a regular attendance, so this is how we're going to verify that you have attended the class. This is for financial and scholarship reasons. So if you are on financial aid or any scholarships, you need to make sure that you are getting that done as soon as possible so that I can report that you have attended class. Now, the discussion questions, you guys have plenty of time to make your, once you start it, to complete your answers. But when it comes to the quizzes and the exams, they are timed. Now, all of the quizzes and exams are under the quizzes and exams link. They are all in order. And I am just going to show you, for those of you who have not taken an online class, who have not taken quizzes and exams online, I'm just going to briefly show you what it's going to look like. Now, all of these are going to be multiple choice. There aren't no fill in the blanks or matching or anything like that. They're all going to be multiple choice. Now, again, like I said, each one of these are going to be timed. Your review quizzes are all going to be 30 minutes. There are 20 questions each quiz. 30 minutes is more than enough time to complete those. Your exams are going to have 1 hour. Now, once you begin these, they cannot be turned off and then come back later to finish. You have to finish it in one sitting. When you are ready to sit down and complete this, you'll need to click continue. And it'll take you to your first question. Mine will say question 2 because I've already opened this, but as an instructor, I can come in and out of these. You can't. Once you start it, you must finish it. Up here, it will tell you how much time you have left on the quiz. Now, once the time has been extended or expired, excuse me, it will force submit, and it will submit all of the questions, answers that you have done up until that time. Now, you're going to read the question. You're going to pick an answer. I'm going to randomly pick one. Make sure you save your answer. And to move on to the next question, you're going to hit this little down here. If you see my pointer, you'll hit that little arrow to move on to the next question. And you will do that for each one of the questions. Those are the quizzes and the exams. Those are going to be the same way that both of those are going to be laid out. And again, the discussion questions, you'll go here and answer those. Those are not timed. They all have due dates, and they will all expire at 11:59 p.m. on their due date. Now, in the past, I've had students who waited to the last minute to do a quiz or an exam. Something has happened with their computer or their internet. They've had issues and they could not complete the exam. Now, with that being said, all of your quizzes, exams, and discussion questions are available to you now. You can work in advance. You can get all of this done in advance if you'd like, or you can work week to week. It's totally up to you. I want you to work at your own pace, but you do need to know that when an assignment expires, I will not turn it back on, because you have had weeks, months in advance to get all this completed. There is no reason why you cannot have them done on their due dates. If you know you're going to be out of town on a vacation or business or something like that, then you will need to make sure that you complete these assignments before you leave. There is no extension, because that's not fair to everybody else who is doing their work on time. Now, if you do have computer issues or internet issues and stuff, and it's before the due date, then email me and we can try to figure out what happened and get you back on schedule or on track here. But if you wait till the last minute to do it and then you contact me and it's after the expiration date, then no, it will not be turned back on. Again, you can work in advance, get all of this done, but don't work too quickly, because if you do it too quickly and you're not doing too well on the exams and the quizzes, you may want to take a breath, stop, sit back and read over these chapters a little bit more, do some of the course material resources and stuff to help you get better grades. This is not a race. It's not a competition. Your number one priority is to make sure that you are doing the best that you can and making the best grades that you can. So that should be your number one thing, not how quickly you can get the course done. If you want to, like I said, if you want to do week by week, that's fine. Just make sure that you're getting them done on time. I don't think now we do have spring break. There is an exam due or an assignment due on spring break. So if you're going out of town for spring break, then you may want to get that done in advance. All of your quizzes are due on Saturday. All of your exams are due on a Sunday. So that'll give you time to get one thing done before you start on the other. Yeah. Now, to check your grades after you have completed an assignment, you can always come here to My Grades, and it'll tell you how you did and how many points were possible for that assignment. My name, again, is Barbara Cook. My email is bcook@gadsdenstate.edu. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me. I am an adjunct, which means I do not have an office, so I do not do office hours or meeting times. So we'll have to do everything through email. And again, my name is Barbara Cook, and my email is bcook@gadsdenstate.edu. And I am going to put that in the instructor information down here, so that you have that information, and it's already there. Please give me at least 24 hours to respond. I do check my emails daily, but just in case you email me after I just checked it, then please give me at least 24 hours to respond. I usually respond pretty quickly, because I don't want you waiting in the wing to figure out what you're going to do. So please always email me with your questions and concerns. When this video is completed, like I said, it will be in the Begin course here. Please refer back to this video if you ever have any problems finding any of the assignments or due dates or anything for this class. All right, that's it, and I look forward to a great semester with all of you.